Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning the translation of a triangle. So today we're going to be taking a look at a triangle, at an image of a triangle, and we want to actually move that triangle or translate it, in this case 2 units to the left and 3 units down. And we're going to see how we're going to do that. Okay guys, so the triangle is called triangle OMG. Oh my god. And it has coordinates O 1.5, M 2 comma minus 1, and G minus 2 comma minus 3, right? And then we're being asked to graph and label that triangle OMG and also the translation of that triangle 3 units to the right, and 2 units down, correct? Now, as a rule reminder here, we have to remember that whenever we are moving an image or a point, translating it up, we're going to add in its value of y. If we're moving it down, we're going to subtract in y. If we're moving it to the right, we're going to add in x. And if we're moving it to the left, we are going to subtract in x. So in this case, since we are adding in x, that means we're moving it 3 units to the right. And since we are subtracting 2, that means that we're moving it 2 units down, right? Now, we know that triangle OMG has initial values of 1, 5, 2, minus 1, and minus 2, minus 3, right? We know also that the translation of points OMG 3, minus 2 units is going to give us a new triangle, which is going to be OMG, like this. So now, guys, the way in which we can find those coordinates, right, of the new positions of O, M, and G is basically, again, adding 3 in X and subtracting 2 in Y. So we had 1, but we're now adding 3, and we had 5, but we're now subtracting 2. And we're going to do the same thing with both, with all the other points, right? So minus 1, minus 2, and then G was in minus 2, but now we add 3 in X, and it was minus 3, but now we are gonna subtract 2. So the final position of O is going to be 4, 3. The final position of M is going to be on 5, minus 3. And the final position of G is going to be on 1, minus 5, right? So our initial positions were 1, 5, 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and the final positions are going to be 4, 3, 5 minus 3, and 1 minus 5. Now, guys, let's try graphing it so that we can actually visualize how this is going to work. So point M is going to be initially on 2, minus 1, so 1, 2, 1. So it's going to be initially here, point M. Point O is going to be on 1, 5, so 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going to be here. And then we're going to have our point G, which is going to be on minus 2, minus 3. So it's going to be on 1, 2, and then minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, right? And that is going to be our initial points. So, right, so we have G here. We're going to have O over here, and we're going to have M over here. Now our final positions of O, for example, is going to be 4, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3, 1, 2, 3, right? We definitely moved it 2 units down, and we also moved it 3 units to the right. We're going to have that point M is now 5, minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in position minus 3, so it's going to be here now. And G is now going to be plus 1 minus 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And here we're going to have our final position of G. Now, guys, we just draw lines to join the vertices of the triangle, and we're going to get this. Now, at last, we can see the initial triangle OMG and the final position after we translated it. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!